Hi guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine. Been receiving so many messages about weather here in Phuket that I wanted to give a full update here on YouTube. For daily updates, what I recommend you do is you look at our short section on YouTube, or you go to our Facebook page, because I'm updating daily videos on the weather. Now the last few days have been great weather. We had blue skies, calm seas. This morning it's turned a little bit wet. But watching the radar, it looks like that's going to clear out by about 11 o'clock this morning and turn into an okay afternoon. Moving forward over the coming week, we have good calm sea conditions, so I do expect that we'll have relatively good weather with some passing showers. It's the end of November. It's the time that we get weather that's a little bit like this. Sometimes it'll rain, sometimes it'll stop, sometimes it'll rain, sometimes it'll stop. Generally, it's still safe to go out on the sea, as long as we have a nice wind condition, and that's the key thing. Go jump on over the windy, have a look at the wind condition. As long as we're in a blue or a light green wind, we're fine to go out to sea. If you are here in Phuket and you're worried about missing out on island hopping because it's raining and you don't think it's going to clear, well, the option is to head out to places like Phang Nga Bay or even Hong Korabi, which are the safest places to be during this time of year if we're having some rain. More than that, Phang Nga Bay is more stunning with a little light drizzle than it is in full sunlight, so I would get out there, I'd explore the caves, I'd canoe, I would do all those wonderful things. If you're seeing videos on social media and TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, what I would say to you is that these are the kind of videos that get views, where we've got flooded streets or people's possessions that are rushing down the streets. What I will say to you is that these are what we call flash floods. Phuket isn't designed to, its water treatment system, the system that drains the water from the streets, is not designed to deal with so many people and so much rain in such a short period of time. So what happens is we get an hour of really heavy rain. The water can't drain away quick enough. Because of that, we end up with a little water lying around on the streets where you'll see the cars or motorbikes driving through it. Normally, once the rain stops, within an hour that flash flooding has gone. Just because it's flash flooded now at 11 o'clock in the morning doesn't mean that we're going to have flash flooding at 12 or 1 or even tomorrow. These are just passing things. I know if this is your first time coming to Asia or Phuket or a tropical climate, all of this stuff seems really weird. It seems like not what you're used to, like flooding in your country. Like I come from Australia, actually I come from a little town called Echuca, and if we had flooding in the Murray River, it would break the banks and we would be flooded for days or even weeks. Here, flash flooding is normally hours, and if that at all, maybe an hour total. So, I would suggest to you, don't get panicked, don't change your plans. We can still get out. There's still beautiful locations to go to see. Mainly the rain will pass, and it's really just time to have a great holiday. Stop stressing. If you got comments, you can comment below. I'll be here all day answering questions for you. Feel free to send us a WhatsApp for the latest weather update. And as I said, watch the shorts, go to our Facebook page, go watch our Instagram reels. We're doing daily weather updates.